you willing to do? Tell me what you willing to do. Can go sing a piece with me. Tell me. Bye, Wayne. Later. Bye, babe. Tell me what you're willing to do. Right, you know. Hey, tell me what you're willing to do. Hey, you don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! What the damn?
Weekend!
Hi. Guys, today is a wonderful day. Let me talk so loud. Today is a good day. Today is a good day and I'm on my way to town. I have a few things to take care of in town today. Hopefully I'll be able to vlog some of it or what I'm gonna do. And that's simply what I'm gonna do. We have Kin right here. We have Vanny over there. Just leaving the house and stuff. I think I first time I'm vlogging that year. I don't know. I don't know. This is not the first time. I have him braids. I think I told you guys that already.
Hello.
And stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna take them out soon.
Kin now go so hard and Kin here so nice.
Huh? I think I'm gonna start the more braids. I'm gonna start more braids because I like braids. Why you stop? From put me to you.
Next time I do me like this.
My belt girt me up. Huh? Where's the Kin?
Belt miss piece of clothes or your skin and
Next time I do my hair like that.
Like this too. I like fashion. I like it.
The next time I do my hair like this, that lady out there is not doing it.
I never seen you do your hair like this before.
Not with this thing here.
Okay. You need to come on my ear just
Not with the little one.
You need to
much people talk to one time? It's not like big.
You need to come on my ear just my ear just a bit over here.
How much up here? What's up here?
It depends on what you do, but you can start from 3-5 up.
Michelle.
Where you walk? Come on our road.
Where you walk?
Go walk up, come on and
Yeah, walk up, come on with one hand. Yo!
Auntie.
Yo!
Cynthia.
Come for some for your granny.
Huh?
Come for your grandmother.
Yes. So that's what we're doing now. I'll tune into you guys when I'm at the location of where I'm supposed to go. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm betting. Give me a piece of apple. Yeah? No. Me not pass on this. Oh,
that is camera go.
oh,
Is it apple?
Me need to go down an apple bush. So that's basically what we're doing now. Right now we're walking. Can I go to church? Go practice. Me I gotta be now. Auntie. So later. So guys, I'm almost where I need to be. Have an appointment. I don't know if I'm late. I don't remember I tell my appointment. But I'm almost there. My belt to drop out. Yeah, so I'm almost there. Like a minute away from the location. People are looking at me. But you know me shameless. I'm baiting. So keep it locked. So guys, I'm inside actually waiting now on my appointment time. Pretty excited. Yeah, so keep it locked to SkyLife TV. So I didn't tell you where I was. I'm at Skin. I am at the Body Studio Skincare. Look like the manga call me now. They do facials here and other stuff to improve your skin. Like if you have acne, you want to take care of these dark spots or so on, they do these stuff. They have a branch in Kingston and a branch in Montego Bay. They do a wide variety of stuff. You can check them out. Body Studio and Skincare. I think it's my time now to go in, so I'll get back. So guys, I'm finished at the place now. I'm on my way to Proactive Lifestyle. That is where I buy my shake, my protein shake, and I can't get the apple cider vinegar, so I'm going over there to see if they have it. If not, I'm gonna check out another place because Jamaica run out of apple cider vinegar. Yeah, the apple cider vinegar is running very low, so I'm gonna check on that over there, and maybe I go to Jerky's to have a lunch. And at lunchtime now, it's around 4:30 now, but I feel like I want some jerk chicken in my life right now. Sit down and eat and spend some time with myself and be things. So that's what I'm gonna do. So if anything, I will check back in with you guys to later on today. Maybe I go and shop for some shoes as well. I want some slippers, so maybe I go and shop for that. Alright, so guys, I'm done devour the food. I have my water. I'm heading to Payless right now. I'm gonna try to see if I can get 2 pairs of shoes, or at least look if them have none. And thing, I feel like my back hurt me. What is? Yeah, so that me I don't know. Some people look for me again. I had jerk chicken and festival. Pretty cool, pretty good. Sitting. So, let me walk now. If anything, I'll check back in with you guys and give you an update on what I'm doing. Alright?